Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine. Let's start our today's lesson. Students, open page number 25. Today we will revise the work page of lesson 3 unit 1. So let's start. Question A is put a tick against true statements and a cross against the false ones. Here, the first statement is high areas are usually hot. This is wrong because high areas are always cold, like the mountainous regions. That's why the mountains are covered with snow. Second statement is cool breezes blow from the sea towards the land. This is right because cool breezes, also called sea breezes, blow from the sea towards the land. Next statement is deserts are very dry places. This is also right because deserts are very dry places as very little rainfall occur in the deserts. Next statement is forests do not receive much rainfall. This is wrong because forests receive much rainfall. Next statement is places close to the sea are always very hot. This is wrong because places close to the sea have moderate climate. Next one is Pakistan has a very wet climate. This is wrong because Pakistan has very dry climate. Moving towards the next question. Question B is, here are some different types of cloud. How many of these do you see where you live? Here you can see some of the pictures of different types of clouds are given. The first one is cirrus. This is stratus. And this is cumulonimbus. Students, you have to observe the clouds in the area where you live and tell how many types of clouds you have seen where you live. So, you will do this by yourself. Moving towards the next question. Question C is, write a few sentences and draw pictures in your notebook to show how the climate of a place is affected by local features such as height or the coastline. So here, in this question, you have to write down few sentences on how climate is affected by the local features such as height or closeness to the sea. And you will also draw pictures of it in your notebook. Students, you will do this by yourself. Moving towards the next question. Question D is, complete the table to show which instruments are used to measure temperature, pressure, wind speed and direction, humidity and the amount of rainfall. Include pictures and the units of measurements used. Students, here we will write down the names of the instruments used to measure these quantities. And here we will write down the units in which these quantities are measured. And here you will draw the picture of the instruments used to measure these in quantities. So let's start. Here the first one is temperature. The instrument used to measure the temperature is thermometer. And temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Next one is pressure. Barometer is used to measure the air pressure and air pressure is measured in millibar. Next one is wind speed and direction. Anemometer is used to measure the wind speed and wind vane is used to measure the direction of wind. Wind vane is also called weather vane. Wind speed is measured in the unit meters per second. Next one is humidity. Hygrometer is used to measure the humidity and it is measured in the unit grams of water vapor per cubic meter of air. Next one is rainfall. Rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rainfall, and the unit in which rainfall is measured is millimeters.